Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do clean and organizing videos. Today's video is special because I am going to share my secrets to lose 70 pounds in 6 months. Also, it's my anniversary. We got married 18 years ago in Northern California. It was October 7, 2000, and I cannot believe it's been 18 years already. But I will try to fit into my wedding dress just for fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. بارك حوات نقعد حل متأخم سمي إيران بحال متراين organize مقبارني سرح بزيها channel لو ما عندكن كمي كيرا 7 باوند كوجدل كله خذ حاجة زني نجارات مساحتكم شيرك قبري مسوخاني لو ما عندي anniversary نايني 18 عمت أكتوبر 7 ورحي عسرت حدا هلا شو عدت كلتا شحنا تمرينا مالتيو اب نورثرن كاليفورنيا لو ما عندي تي قدينا صبي قسلقس تني مرعي بيلو كفتنو يسو جس فان تراي مالتيو تزاخلن خوينو مخنياتو قدم حجي بقى يتونني نيرو كعقنو ما نايكلني نيرو بتاع يرو كيدا نيره حجي كن سكافتني مو دحن بحنساب نسحق مالتيو تحريكات زبالة تجيف تقمت إلا يالو كريكم ينتي خمس متسلي. The most exciting thing is I got the most special gift from Elechomes. Oh my god, you guys, you don't believe it. Oh, look what I got. I cannot wait to make my smoothies, my green smoothie, my fruit smoothies that I made every morning. And this thing is, I'm not joking guys, you can even lift it up. Look how big it is. I cannot wait to share it with you. Thank you so much Elechomes for the gift. It's special, I love it.
Okay guys, so what you also get in the package is a 24-hour response time. So if there's anything wrong with your blender, within 24 hours they will notify you. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you pay full price for this, and for some reason it's just not working, they will give you your money back 100%. There's a 12-month replacement warranty, so if you break it, you're all good. They'll send you a new one within 12 months. And it's a lifetime support guarantee, so that means if you're just having trouble with the blender overall, no matter what, they're gonna help you, all right? So if you want to register an extra year of warranty, you go to www.elechomes.com/login. If you want refunds and exchanges, go to www.elechomes.com/support. And if you want super user program, go to www.elechomes.com/superuser. And it also comes with 2 instruction books.
Okay, بارحوات زي بلندر هاي سبيد بلندر مالتيو مسكلته مصحفتي نا انستراكشن مسوخاني نا عمت وارانتي مالتي تمصكم انت داغله خويناتكم تملسوا تخوليكم باب عمت وشتي مليسكم كاتر ريجستر غيركم كا انا زر عمت كا يوسخو مالتيو ني بحق يطبقتي. By the way, I use almond milk to make a smoothie. Almond milk يتذكر smoothie سرح مالتي. This high-speed blender comes with a tamper. I love that. And ستريقوا لكم tamper كعلوا إن ده دفع خامس وتطحنوا مالتيو. ده حركة time قاعد كبر لا تخليها. And also you can time it too. With a tamper in your hand, you won't have to spend time washing it in between each use. The tamper helps us to create smooth, consistent drinks or soups, whatever we make. Today I'm making extra for me and my kids. لو ما عندن مسدك أي ندك أي كل عيد سرح زلوا خبز حبي لمالتي. After you have turned this blender on, use the buttons on control panel to select a blender program. Like if you want vegetable or juice, fruit juice, smoothie, nuts, anything you do, press off and on again to begin blending. This is very special blender I never seen before. I really like it. زي بلندر مسولع كايو انتي كم تدلي مش تتوقع دحر ملسكها on تقبر مالتي دحر بلند تقبر الكات الجمر كم زي عينة بلندر سريع فلتنيني بحق اعتباطي. Okay guys, as you can see, the blender is very special. It's also BPA free. And this is large. Look how much I made. And I made special smoothie. بعد خبركم يا حوات زي blender special BPA free خاني. So كنت عندكم تدليكم أبزي description box كقدر لكم بيناتهم information. Thanks Elechomes for sponsoring this video. And I love my smoothie. This is how I lose weight. I drink smoothie every morning, 1 glass. I told you about it last time. For different recipes, check out my cooking channel. I did post some recipes that how I make my smoothies. This one is made with tropical fruits and blackberries, also banana. And this is delicious. Okay guys, if you like this blender, I will leave Elechomes information on the description box. Check them out. كبرات حواتم بقريك تعدقوا تريليكم تي information ناتهم after description box post خقبروا لكم ايه check قبروا ميخو. Thanks Elechomes for sponsoring this video. Okay guys, it's been 18 years since I fit to my wedding dress. I gained so much weight, so I was almost 18, size 18, so you're gonna laugh with me. Alright guys, as you can see, I lost 70 pounds, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit into my wedding dress. Okay, بعرفات قبل كعكوني تناي مراعي بيلو زنبرة استحضرنا نرى. Not yet. I have 1 or 2 more inches to lose to be in it. As you can see, it was huge wedding dress. it was more inch to lose to fit to my wedding dress. Hopefully in this few months I'm gonna do it, but that's my goal. So درجة كل تاني تشرحون زي كان يقولون كل لهم خمس حسب قوة مالتي. So كن فتني ناقينا. Alright, ولودا. Thanks guys for watching. That was it for today. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna leave Elechomes information on the description box. Please check them out. يعني اللي حواتي the information is blender كأني at the description box. Good for me. I love you all so much.